Having the capability to know real time what your capacity is month to month, actual scientific verifiable data of that information is super important for a manager of a company.
Being able to evaluate our OE on a weekly management meeting, we're able to quickly analyze and understand where any gaps might be in our productivity or our manufacturing process. If we have a certain tool or a certain press that sees more downtime or more scrap than others, we're able to point our efforts in that direction without actually putting a lot of effort into gathering the data, because Machine Net Cloud does bring all that to our fingertips.